Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's quick video, I finally uploaded my class number 7 on Skillshare where I drew Chewbacca in my sketchbook. And this is a video that's under 15 minutes, but I'm going to leave you guys with this introduction of my class. And my latest full-length course, which is around an hour, is this digital painting of Yoda. So go ahead and check that one out as well. And don't forget that I do have a 1-month free Skillshare membership in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ring the bell, and let's get to it. This is another class in the series that I started with my sketchbook, and we are drawing Chewbacca. Before we get started, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez. I graduated from California State University, Fullerton. I have experience with life drawing, life painting, gesture drawing, graphic design, simple animation, also digital drawing and painting. And with these shorter courses, I'm going to teach you how to use Ballpoint. And now this tiny sketchbook, this is a pocket sketchbook. This one is a tiny size. This one is only 3.5 by 5 inches. And this is a perfect size because not only are we able to dedicate ourselves to a tiny surface, we don't have to draw something large, and it's going to be a quick one, especially for a fast course like this. And just like my previous class before where I drew a spider monkey and it was also under 15 minutes, this one is going to go all in on how to draw hair in a way where I quickly will break down hair shapes, patterns, and how to apply strands of hair while using pop culture as our subject matter. And even better, this course is aimed for beginners, but anyone from intermediate to advanced artists can participate in this class. And all you're going to need for this is a few materials. And the best part of it all is that we only need literally 3 materials. We need our sketchbook, number 2 pencil for our underdrawing, and several black cheap ballpoint pens. You can also use the dark blue ones as well. And I will be providing a high resolution photo of our subject so that you can follow along. So do you have your materials ready? Let's begin.